This is the most important part. The another part is the landing. So we have started from here as in a one level. So your staircase goes on this, okay, and then here it comes the landing. Now how one can rest this landing? So this is a timber joist which will be fixed in wall, which is run all along horizontal, and over which this entire assembly can be fixed, or you can say this material can be fixed, okay, this tray, riser, and this entire assembly, and another portion can be fixed in wall. So that is how the entire portion, even the another section you can see here. So these are the floor joist, common floor joist. So you can place the timber joist here, you can add the another floor joist after 40 centimeter. So that is how you can get the strength to this particular landing. And this timber joist can as an apart, this is a section, you can imagine the view, you can imagine the elevation, these will be run like a beam. So just consider these are like a beam. So even if a RCC construction, you can see the beam is there to rest the landing. Similar function will be here, but here you can place the joist, and then there are the common floor joist, so that you can run this entire landing here, okay. Now let's come to the another part. So you can see trade, you can see the riser, okay, you can see this how groove joints, this can be fixed, you can see this as a nosing, you can see this as an blocks to get an additional strength, okay. Here this particular part, okay, this entire particular part, you can see the stringer, and within this stringer this trade and riser will be fixed, okay. Now this stringer is again going to fix with this timber joist, okay, and that is how they can get a additional strength sometime. And this is also called the naval post, sometimes to add a additional strength. This naval post also get fixed here, and he will get a support of this trade riser and then this joist. This called the balusters, okay. रेलिंग जिसको हम काफी बार कहते हैं, but actual name is the balusters, okay. It will be around the 30 mm to 20 mm, it depends upon us. And then the gap in between, it should not be more than 90 mm, okay. I think it's done, yes. And to hide this entire thing, so you can have this a plaster board or any kind of false ceiling also you can add, okay, like that you can hide this entire staircase portion. There are the other details too. So last time we have seen this in a staircase type. So this naval post, bull nose steps, plate step, then the D type step, the other things will be same. So here it comes, this called as a naval post, okay. Generally it will be from this state to this naval post, generally maximum distance will be around 1000 mm, okay. This call as a balusters, this call as a stringer, this is straight, this is riser, these are the blocks, and these are the balusters, okay. These are the sizes 30 to 38 into 20 mm balusters, okay. And then in between gap will be the 90 mm. Now this is a view. Now things will be clear. Look at this. This call as a stringer, this call as a naval post, this call as a this call as a bull nose step, okay. These are the trade, these are the trade, these are the riser, this is called as a nosing. Below under the nosing there will be scotia. Look at this, these two, this trade and riser, they are actually fixed with this string, okay. And then this will be naval post, this called as a handrail, this called as a balusters. That is what. Now the this also I think we have covered, you may have seen. And in a trade and riser, this can be different level of details also. So sometimes you may you may do this rounded one, you may do this plate one, you may do this square nosing, okay. And there are the rivet joint, there are the housing joint, these are butt joint, okay. So these are the kind of the details it involved. This is another view. So you can see the two flights. So you can start from here, then there will be landing, and then that is how you can go to the up floor. So you will start from here again. Okay, this is my trade, this is my riser, this is my nosing, this is my stringer. Okay, now we start from here. This is my naval post. It will be around 1000 mm. This is a handrail. This again will be 900 mm from this any trade. Okay, this straight and riser are going to fix with this string. Okay, there will be housed. Okay, and then you can see this. To get the rest, you can see these are the posts. This can again converted into the naval post, and then it can add the additional support to the landing as well as this. Look at this called as a timber joist. This will roll all along. It can be fixed in wall. Okay, even similarly timber joists are fixed here, so these are acting like a beam. Okay, and in between you can find a floor joist after every 400 mm to get a additional strength. If we don't provide the uh, joist, okay, so your board can't rest. Okay, that is how the detail is. These are the balusters. So you can see here, so this is my stringer. These are your trade and riser. Okay, look at this. So you can cut this portion and you can fix this into this trade and into this stringer. Okay, these are your joists. Same thing. Okay, and over this you can fix the floor landing. Okay, these are the other detail of a handrail. Now let's come to stone stairs. The stone stairs are widely used at places where ashlar stone is readily available. Stone stairs are quite strong and rigid. Stone stair used for construction of stairs should be hard, strong, and resistant to weather condition. Stone stairs are a fire resistance also. So now, as a part of a stone stairs concern, you must have been to this Chanderi side, Orcha side, below this Jhansi wala area jo hai. So there you can see this lot of availability of stone, as well as if you sometimes if you get a chance to go to Hampi near to Bangalore, there also you can see the construction of stones. Everywhere you find a stone. Then you go to the Bellary side, there also you find a stone. In Rajasthan also you find a stone. So what I mean to say, whenever depends on the availability of the material. So whenever you find this cheaply available stone material, so then you go for the stone stairs. So generally in Rajasthan, generally in Karnataka side, in some part of it, and then some part of the MP also, and there may be in some other places also. The readily available stone, so then people go for the stone stair constructions too. Okay, so what happened? These are actually strong. Okay, they are actually very hard, resistance to weather, resistance to fire, and that's how people go for the stone stairs as a part of the construction. Now, what are the different detailing? What are the different things available as a part of the stairs? So this can be rectangular also. So you can see these are the rectangular steps. Okay, and they can be joined by this riveted one. Then can be spandrel stairs. There can be trade and riser steps, cantilever trade steps, we'll see, and then the built up steps. So these are the 4 to 5 types. Okay, rectangular, then the spandrel, then the trade and riser, cantilever, and then the built up step. Let's come to the first part, rectangular steps. Okay, with the repeated joint. These are the simplest type prepared for a rectangular block of stone. The steps are arranged with the front edge of one step resting on the upper back edge of the step below. Now you can see whenever we are going to start with this rectangular stone stair, so how the question is how we are going to connect the other part of the steps. Now this is the one step, this is another step. So these are the simplest kind of detailing, repeated detailing, where one step can easily rest on to the another step. So that is how the detailing one can follow. Repeated rectangular stone steps. So sometimes you may do the detailing part like this, the and inclined portion, but ultimately what happens, they have to take a they have to rest on the another step, but this is a additional stain, but actual stain they generally get it from the wall. Okay, this is just the additional stain so that they should not get displaced. Now let's come to the you can see this view. So these are, can be erased one over the above. Now the spandrel step, these steps are nearly triangular in shape so as to get a plane soffit. So you can see plane soffit. So this, the staircase portion below, that is called the soffit. Okay. So in a timber also, you can get this soffit so that the entire detailing part should not get, visible to you. So that is how the soffit, this portion called a soffit. This is, look at this is another level detail where you can see this broken soffit. So these steps are nearly triangular in shape so as to get a plain soffit. And then the detailing, same detailing you can use at the end. Each step is built in the wall. Such steps give a pleasant appearance, and the soffit may either be plain, broken, or maybe the molded one. Look at this. So in a spandrel, so these are generally a triangular shape. So I mean to say, even you can find the detailing, you can do the detailing part of it and come up with the different type of stone stairs. Now in a view, it may be clear with you. Okay. Now this slab trade and riser step. So what you need to do, this trade and riser step. So this is also by stone. Okay. So in this type, flat stone slab are used as a trade and riser, similar to the timber step. So you can see these are the different members. This as a trade, this as a riser, and they are separate one. Okay, and the stone slab risers and trade may be connected through this dowel as shown here. So you can see here. The thickness of stone slabs may vary from 5 centimeter to the 8 centimeter. So what you need to do, so there will be wall. So inside a wall, you can, get this, fix this particular trade, fix this particular riser, and that is how you can get the stain from the wall. Okay. Whereas they are, capable enough to carry the simple man's load. That is how, and that is how with the dowels they can be fixed. So you need to get out the get this triangular portion, then fix another stone material, stronger stone material. That is how they can be fixed. Now the cantilever trade and uh, trade slab step. So what you need to do, so there will be wall, and from the wall you can just extrude this particular trade portion. So they are just, hanged over the wall. Let's see in view. Look at this. There is a wall, and within this wall you can just fix this trade areas. Okay. Even here also it can get clear. Now these are the built up step. You don't need to do anything for it. You can have, below portion will be solid, and within that the steps can be fixed. Now let's come to the brick stair. So each one of you, must have seen this brick stair. Brick staircase are not very common except at the entrance. However, brick stairs of a single straight file are often made in villages' house. The staircase consists of either solid wall or also arch opening, may be left for obtaining storage space below. The brick steps need a frequent maintenance, hence this may be faced with the stone slab. Now, in most of the portion at the entrance of your house, you must have seen these brick steps. So to get an additional strength, because these are very difficult to maintain to get an additional strength. What people do actually to place some stone material over this trade or this riser and to get covered with it. Okay, so whereas as far as the front portion, as far as to just climb 4 to 5 steps, so these are very cheap material. And then once you place this stone material as a covering material over it,